Chapter 2 Story of a Computer. Friends, I hope you are all feeling fine. In the last lesson, we were discussing about natural things and man made things which are very useful to us. Both natural things and man made things support our life a lot. You all have heard that computer is a man made wonder, a machine with lot of magic and fun. This time, we are going to discuss a lot more about that wonderful machine. To begin with, let me tell you a story. A story about how 4 friends became a computer. Once, there was a CPU going to the market in a car. Friends, have you heard about a friend by name CPU? Here, CPU is the Central Processing Unit, also known as the brain of a computer. On the way, the CPU met a beautifully faced screen. The screen smiled at the CPU and asked for a lift. CPU replied, "Oh sure, I'm also going there." Sitting on the front seat of the car, the screen started introducing itself. "My name is Monitor." Both of them continued their journey. They became friends in no time. On the way, after some time, they saw a board with lot of keys. It looked like a piano. The black piano came forward and gave a signal to stop the car. CPU stopped the car. Moving near to the window, it introduced itself by saying like this, "I am a keyboard. Shall I come with you to the market?" "Of course, come on," both the CPU and the monitor said in a single voice. Keyboard joined them. As they were moving straight, the keyboard saw its friend, a mouse, waiting for him beside the road. Keyboard requested the CPU to stop the car for the mouse. On opening the door, the mouse entered into the car. They continued their journey. Unfortunately, it happened. The climate changed suddenly. It started raining heavily. They changed their route and reached a lonely place. CPU, using its brain, traced out for a better route to the market. The mouse started to draw the route. The keyboard wrote the name of the places. The monitor displayed the map. It was the right and the shortest way to the market. It means that our 4 friends, the CPU, the keyboard, the mouse, and the monitor, work together as a powerful machine to solve a problem. Shall I give a name to all the 4 friends who are together now? It is computer. Friends, how was the story? Fine, isn't it? Okay, now we will start learning about the parts of a computer. Monitor. Let's begin with the monitor. Haven't you seen a television? I hope that you all watched movies on television. Monitor looks just like a television. It is only the display part of a computer. It shows letters and numbers you type, shows the picture you draw and the game you play. It displays movies and other videos according to the command of the man who uses it. CPU. Next, let me talk about the CPU. CPU is the most important organ of a computer. It is also known as the brain of the computer. It takes all the decisions and controls all the other things connected to it. We can compare the CPU with our brain. It can store everything that we give to a computer. Keyboard. Next to know is about the keyboard. Haven't you seen a keyboard? It looks like a piano which contains a lot of buttons called keys. Keyboard is a pen of a computer. We can use it for writing, drawing, and inputting numbers. It has 2 sets of keys. One is the alphabetic keys, A to Z. Those keys are used to type your name, school name, etc. Another set is the numeric keys, 0 to 9. They are used for giving numbers like phone numbers, age, etc. Mouse. Let's learn more about a mouse now. I hope that all of you have seen a rat. The mouse looks like a rat with a tail. We can use the mouse to draw the pictures. It is very small in size compared to other parts of a computer. It is a hand guide device. we can call the mouse as an artist of the computer. It has 2 buttons and a wheel. They help us to operate the mouse. Friends, do you know where it is kept? Mouse is kept on a mouse pad, which helps us to move it easily. At last, I think you all understood about the family of a computer. In next chapter, you will learn about how computers help us. Friends, see you in the next chapter. Okay, bye.